Almond Carrier Oil is effective for all skin types. It is light and absorbs quickly, which makes it an excellent carrier oil for skincare. Almond Carrier Oil is great for dry, irritated skin because the nourishing vitamins and minerals help recondition and revitalize the skin. It is also gentle enough to use as a facial moisturizer, including around the eyes. For me, the best ways to use Almond Carrier Oil are: 1. As a cleansing oil. Put about a nickel-size amount on the palm of your hand and rub it all over your face, including your eyes. Your makeup will come off very easily. Then get a wet washcloth and wipe it off. It's my favorite way to clean my skin. 2. As a moisturizer. This can be done right after you cleanse your face with almond oil, or it can be used as a full body moisturizer. And 3. In recipes for DIY body products. Here's how to use almond oil in an easy DIY hand scrub. For this recipe, you will need a small airtight container or jar, half a cup Himalayan pink salt, a 1/4 cup Almond Carrier Oil, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Today we're going to use Plant Therapy Soft Skin Synergy. Mix all ingredients together really well. Then simply massage about a tablespoon into your hands, rinse it off, and pat dry. Store any remaining almond oil hand scrub in an airtight container or jar. This scrub is great, especially in the colder months when my hands are dry or chapped. Almond Carrier Oil is one of the best choices when it comes to carrier oils because it is so versatile. From creating roll-on blends to making DIY body products, Almond Carrier Oil is a must-have.